I'm working as an open source Flex developer in ChipKIDZ for the past 3 months. First of all, data binding is used to pass data from one object to another object. Mainly, it passes the data between the client-side objects and then tying the data from one object to another object. Two fields are required: source, destination, and then triggering event. This is a sample program for data binding. Create data binding using this binding tag. Inside this we are using a form item is the first name, normal form, that is first name, last name, birthday, date, first form. Then we are using a h rule, then we are using a first name, last name, another form. Whatever data must be typed must be gone to bind the data from one form to another form. Then this is a click is equal to click handler, that function must be used in this inside the script. Before this we are going to see that binding the tag involves source and the destination property is the main. It requires 3 fields: the source, destination, and then triggering event. In this application we don't use this triggering event. Source and then destination. Source means user model dot birth dot date, that must be a source, and the destination is date field dot text, must be the text in the destination. And before this we have to define a model. We are creating a tag, first name, last name, and then date of birth must be typed. Before this we go to the script. We have to import this package utils and then binding utils class. Then create data binding using this binding utils. I have to initialize that unit handler using this function binding utils dot bind property. This property is used. Last name field, that field must be a property, and then username must be name comma last name, that must be, that id must be used. Name id tag must be used, name comma last name. Okay. After this we are creating another function, click handler. Then inside this we are using user model dot name dot first name, that is whatever typed in the f name input, okay, must go on to this user model. Similarly last name and also for a birth date. If you run this application, you clearly understood. This is the first form. The data are stored. If you give June 13th, 1985. If you click OK, means whatever data must be typed must gone to this form, that is data must from one form is binded to another form. If you have any doubts, go through this link. Thank you.